Good afternoon. Today we are given a topic of e-learning impact on Salesforce training. First, I am going to discuss about e-learning. E-learning is the use of electronic media and communication with different technologies. E-learning is a combination of audio and video, different technologies using the internet, and e-learning provides more advanced information. It provides more flexible and connecting information as like as face to face. The compared to face to face, e-learning provides more information than.
Good morning. Like you said, e-learning provides more information than face-to-face learning. Like I think that e-learning is not more effective when coming to Salesforce training. As salesperson are involved, like their job is to interact with the people. If you are learning everything on the computer, you don't know how to interact. Like for Salesforce training, it is required there should be interactive training, like face-to-face training, which helps them to interact with the customers.
Over the past decades, e-learning plays an important role in Salesforce training, not in training and knowledge system also. So e-learning training impact on Salesforce training. Why means e-learning provides a number of benefits? Means flexibility. We can access anywhere in e-learning training. Means we can go in anywhere. We just open your tabs and desktop. We can access that and provides more information with tabs. And it can also save our traveling expenses. It provides more advanced information like globally access information.
Okay. Good afternoon, I am Mr. Abhiman. As Nizam said, and you are talking about more useful about e-learning impact on Salesforce. He is opposite. In this Salesforce in the sense we can see many salespersons in the field. In that salespersons, they don't know how to. In that e-learning training in the sense there is no compare between there is no interact with people and how to connect and how to maintain and how to attract that products they don't know. In that way, it is not useful for e-learning. There are many. E-learning also have more and more advantages. In that way, in that Salesforce, that is the one of disadvantages. If you take e-learning advantages, flexibility if you take flexibility or travels, then reduce travels. If it does not impact on Salesforce. In the sense, if you take travel, in the travel you can go one way. In that way, they reach their concern more and more people. They explain about his products and how it will be useful and how it will be impact on futures. They can explain by oral. In the e-market, there is no use of to explain about that. That is my point of view.
Right point stated by Ravi. As you see, the Salesforce main purpose is to interact. Like e-learning is not have the support of interact. Like in the e-learning there are two types: synchronous and asynchronous. Like in synchronous, there will be instructor who will give training when you access a computer. Like you should have enough time. You should take time with your busy schedules, and you have to appear on the scheduled time. And if you don't have any access from anywhere, the instructor will not be available with you. He will be not connected with you online. So you have to only go through the information which is available on the site, on the online which he is providing. Like when he is not available, it is like one-way communication. There is nothing coming from the other side. It is not interactive. How can it be effective than face-to-face? Like if you see example of group discussions, as we have seen many videos on the YouTube, we have learned how they speak, how a GD goes. But after performing here, if we comment that your performance is little bit weak, we are saying that we are not trained to it. Like just we have seen, we are not trained. Just we know how to do, but we don't know how to do effectively. You can see the real example which we are taking.
Okay, as I said, there is no interaction in e-learning. But my point of view, there is interaction with e-learning. Means number of scenarios will going on in e-learning. With the scenarios, the salesperson will take the number of decisions. The decisions only they can improve. Then why can't there be interaction between the e-learning?
Can you state what kind of decisions?
The scenarios, how can improve the Salesforce? So how can interact with people?
Yes,
How
he
can
is-
improve this sales?
The instructor will provide only information how to interact and how to do this and that. But practically we don't get any information. Practically we don't interact. Like if without interacting we can't get effective results.
Someone provide the interaction. Okay, in that
It provides only information.
okay, with that interaction also, the help of e-learning we can make some documentation. Like in face to face, we can't able to make regard all types of information. After completion of that session, we can even able to forget that. With the help of e-learning, we can make to documentation all that files. We can access anywhere after the completion of our topic. We can go to home and we can travel. On that time only, on that time also, we can access that information and improve our knowledge.
You said about e-documentation.
Yes.
In that e-documentation, you can see only on web.
Not we can record all the information. That recorded information we can access anywhere in our desktops, tabs, mobiles.
Okay, it is also one of the electronic media. It is also one of the electronic media. In that village people, they don't know about the awareness. They don't know aware about that products. Then how to interact with them? In that way, there is they are interacting personally. They are unable to. They are more attract about the product, and he will be more attract about more attract, and they can they can choose the product in many alternatives. In that way, they can choose one of best product they can take. In that you can go in online on e-learning only. They cannot choose anywhere in that e-learning. In that way, you can go only on personal impact, personal approach. It is the best.
But see today number of products we are going to sell on e-learning only. As you said, there is if coming to village people, there is no people not aware of e-learning. That e-learning awareness only we can improve our sales. Otherwise, we can't improve our sales force also. That e-learning means only we can get number of profits with less expenses, and there is no advertising requirements also.
Okay, here e-learning message we can if you have a sales force, you in the sense e-learning in the sense you can see that sales force only videos and how to interact with people. That's only. If you don't see how to interact, how to communicate them, how to attract our products, how to maintain this relationship, you don't tell about him.
No, all that information also we don't be e-learning.
That is not practically. That is only see and all. We can see only once. We can forget it only 1 month or 2 months only. Maybe in that you will be personally attract. It will useful more and more many number of times. It will very useful for the more and more times. In that way, if you go anywhere, if you take if you take in our present situation, if you go salespersons they went to fields and attract with people and go and consult with people. They are take more decisions, more matter or collecting information about this personal contact only. There is no contact with e-learning. There is no contact with e-learning. In that way, customers also they don't know about that. In that sense, customers also they don't know about that.
Okay, you said face-to-face learning is more important compared to e-learning. Face-to-face learning is outdated technology. Today we have number of technologies available. The technology we can also learn e-learning. That only we can save our time also. Face-to-face means daily we can go to class and learn daily. There is no that type of mistakes will not learn in this e-learning. With the help of e-learning also we can make what happened in global also we can make more. So e-learning works.
If you reduce the expenses in the sense, you lost the sales, you lost the profits also.
No, with the help of e-learning only we can learn all that things. How can make our profits, how can make sales, and how can reach our products to customers, and customer opinions also. Customers, what customer thinks about the product. All that type of things we can learn with the help of e-learning.
Okay. If you
Always don't need to go to face-to-face interaction. It's not possible for us also.
Okay, if you know correct about customer feedback, that is if customer they don't know about the e-learning, they don't know about e-learning. how do they can send the feedback for you? In that sense, they can choose only one way. That is personal communication.
Okay, you said face-to-face occurs more percentage, but take to today's statistical reports, e-learning occurs 70% to improve our sales.
Let me tell you, as you said, e-learning is a new technology and face-to-face is our technology. Here we are not bothered with the which technique is updated or not. We are bothered is it giving effective result or not.
Yes, e-learning.
Like for example, we are studying modern technology, like we are using all the modern technology to learn something. But the case studies which we learn, which are this idea got from all the ancient times, not because to learn modern technology. We have modern technology also. We get effective knowledge, more knowledge when we have case studies. In this manner, we are not bothered about the technology techniques which we use, but we see only effectiveness of any technique. Like if you browse for Salesforce training on YouTube, as YouTube stands number one leading platform which use videos. Like if you search for Salesforce training videos, you will get nearly more than 59,000 videos. From those videos, if you want to select which has a quality that it can be trained to the Salesforce and which is effective, and sometimes it will be very difficult to analyze it also, and sometimes we don't get a video which is suitable to our purpose. Like online is not always beneficial. That if we have face-to-face training, there will be two-side communication. Like in e-learning, we don't have interactive communication. There is no verbal communication. It provides only information, and same information is provided to all the students who are in the same online training. Same information is provided. Like if we are in face-to-face training, we get practical knowledge about Salesforce.
Okay, you stated there is no interaction with the face-to-face training and no verbal communication also.
Sorry, I said in e-learning.
Yes, in face-to-face we can get face-to-face interaction and verbal communication. With the help of e-learning also we can get that. With the help of webcams and mic speakers, we can get interactive one-to-one.
Like online training is only for those who doesn't have much time to spend. Like we can't appear on a scheduled time. So if we don't have that much of time, we go for online studies. We browse it, log in according to our convenience. If our time is not allowing us to appear at the scheduled time, then we might not be able to appear for the online video. Like we have video chats and all, we will miss that.
Okay, if you may have any doubts, means we can raise the doubt and clear the doubts at the time of happening session only. Coming to e-learning means we can doubt our class is going to morning only. We can get doubts anytime matter. Just we can mail to our seniors, they will give immediately replies to us. It is also very helpful to increase profits.
E-learning is mainly focusing on customer satisfaction and industrial, effective and cost effective all the world. These are mainly focusing on globalization and it's mainly focusing on globalization and customer satisfaction. In the e-learning as education terms is also using that word.
Okay. Based on that, you said e-learning compared e-learning interact with people. Based on that webcams, you said that. If you go any rural areas, any urban, any villages, they don't know about systems, webcams, they don't know about that. In that situation, how to interact with the people and how to maintain that relationship, they don't know about it. In this present situation, you can see online e-learning videos. In that YouTube, you can see more and more videos. More and more videos. In that videos, how to interact with people, they only show how to interact and how to communicate only. They don't know about how to interact and how to personally interact, how to teach, how to explain the product. They don't know about that. In that sense, there is conflict between online and e-learning marketing.
That's right. Only theory doesn't teach us everything. Practical knowledge is also important. Like we get experience teaches us more than the theory subjects. I would like to have Gauri's views on this.
E-learning YouTube videos are some people are seeing that. The mainly focus on only town peoples. But they are village people are not seeing that YouTube videos. But they are all persons are not seeing that videos.
You see, today now people will stay in urban areas and like cities and village towns only. And we can get also say our sales percentage compared to villages and cities, we can get sales percentage more. As you stated, in village there is no awareness about this technology. Coming to cities, they have no this technology. And so with the help of this technology, they can make sales increase.
Okay, when you stated, if you go e-learning method, the Salesforce give a mail, they can you respond to him. In that sense, that is lack of time. There is no sender mail. In that way, personal selling, they can reach and how to explain that product. They can clearly explain about this is advantage, this is disadvantage. That is useful for the customer only. There is no impact. There is no conflict between customer and salesperson.
There is no interaction between sales people and person. Coming to e-learning also there is an interaction with this, connecting number of phones